So I'm like cramping and, not actually screaming at the moment, but cramping. I'm not having much fun. So I've been sitting here, trying to figure out if I can, like, commit Harry Carey with my spoon or something. Dreaming of better days and planting gardens. Look at all those fucking seeds, man. All right. So, I've got my eye on the future, but I've also got this goddamn smoke alarm. Where'd it go? Haha. There it is. The offending character. And because I'm sick, I can't get up there and change the goddamn battery. Right? So, about every, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, it starts going beep, beep, real loud, because it's running out of batteries and it's plugged in to the system, the house. But it beeps. So I'm thinking I need a gun. Boom! Except I don't have a gun. I don't have anything that I could, like, make a gun with real quick and easy, but I do have this. I'm thinking ammonium nitrate and something. Hydrogen peroxide. Like and this little thing makes it spin, right? It gives it rifling as, as it's leaving the barrel. Sort of. It's been hanging around for a while, so I'm playing with it. We might have to straighten the coil up a little bit, but hey, where'd it go?